going to have cooking time! Yay! The Halloween is coming soon, so today let's make Halloween food. The name is Mommy Pizza! What do we need today? We need bread, chopped onions, and black olives, tomato sauce, and cheese. Wow, it's simple, but it will be tasty. Okay, let's start together. First, I'm going to make 2 square-shaped mummy and 2 circle-shaped mummy. I will cut it and make a circle shape. Ta-da! Ooh, I made a circle shape. Try one more. When you use knife, you have to be careful. Be with your mommy or daddy. Another circle. Look, I have 2 big square shapes and 2 circle shapes. Let's make mommy. I prepared chopped onion. Put some onion on the bread. Oh, if you don't like onion, you can add the other vegetables like paprika. Right, I'm done. Okay, this time let's put some tomato sauce on it. Right, look! The red color is tomato sauce. Okay, this is the important part. We are going to cut the cheese and make mommy's bandage. Look, I cut cheese 4 pieces and I'm going to put it on the bread. Ta-da! Does it look like mommy? A little bit, but we are going to make mommy's 2 eyes with black olives. Look! Amazing! Okay, this is the last part. We're going to put this mommy pizza into the oven. During pizza is cooked, we are going to make tangerine pumpkin. I have the black pan and we are going to make pumpkin's eyes and mouth. And nose too. Ta-da! Look at this! Oh, it looks like a pumpkin, but it's not a pumpkin, right? It's a tangerine. We can peel off and taste it. Mmm, sweet. The pizza is done. Let's get it. Look, pizza is done. Oh, whoa, it looks like mommy. Okay, let me try. I'm really hungry. Okay, I have fork and knife. I'm going to cut. Let me try the square one. Cut. I can see the tomato sauce. Cut. Wow, it sounds crispy. Oh, and I'm going to try this black olive, the mommy's eyes. Oh my. Look at this. And it's good. Wow, it's amazing. I really like this kind of pizza because I like onion, I like cheese and tomato. I hope you try to make this mommy pizza in your home too. It's really, really delicious. It's yummy. Great job, everybody! Today we made mommy pizza and the tangerine pumpkin. It looks scary, but it tastes yummy. You can try with your mommy, daddy, and your friends too. And it's time to say goodbye. Happy holidays!